So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and then simply typing here 1F94A. So I type like this 1F94A. Now I can see my computer. This is the Alt key and this is the S key. So I am going to press these two keys at the same time. One of my finger is in this Alt key and another is in this S key. So if I press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this boxing blouse, this symbol we are created. And suppose if you want to change the color, then you can select this one, and from here you can change the color also for your boxing glove. You can change the color from here. For more videos, subscribe.